I'm sick of writing a thought down and never speaking a single word of it. Oh, I just wanna let you know I've got a short attention span that recycles the thoughts I conjure up throughout the day. So I race on to an open notebook, and when the pen reaches my fingertips, I write a symphony of sentences you'll never hear me speak above a whisper, except for when the lights go up and I'm staring at my ceiling. I'm sick of writing a thought down and never speaking a single word of it. I just wanna let you know I'm sick of singing these songs out loud and never telling you the truth behind the lines. I just wanna let you know the words are better when they're written down on paper. What good are words if they never leave the cover of a notebook? I swear to God, sometimes it feels like I am frozen on the white page, stuck in between these thin blue lines. No room to move or gasp for air. I can feel the weight bearing down on my fingers. Now I can't blame them for my lack of sleep these days. I'm sick of writing a thought down and never speaking a single word of it. I just wanna let you know I'm sick of singing songs out loud and never telling you the truth behind the lines. I just wanna let you know the words are better when they're written down on paper. I'm sick of writing a thought down and never speaking a single word of it. I just wanna let you know